Yo, what's going on with y'all boys, man? We're gonna be talking about a very important topic today. And don't let profits get to your head, okay? It's gonna be a very important video to me, because this is just a very sensitive topic, for all traders, and it's very just, um, you need to have an ego check. And if you haven't already had a case to where you've run up a really big bag in trading, and then you've had it taken away from you, um, unless you've been in that predicament, this video is definitely gonna help you. So anyways, when you guys start first running up your big trading bag, understand that it's gonna feel literally crazy. You're gonna feel like you're on top of the world, but understand that you need to remain humble. Okay? I understand you just ran up that big bag, but please, for the love of God, stay humble. Don't lose yourself running up a bag. Okay? It's extremely easy to lose yourself running up a bag. And I know what that means. Like, dang, okay, like that might be a good thing, like losing yourself running up a bag. But no, because at a certain point in time, you're gonna start P&L trading, right? Not only are you gonna be P&L trading, you're not gonna be say you hit like a big, really big giant win, right? Or you just have a great week. Say you have a bad week, right? That bad week is really gonna hit you hard because you just had such a good streak of winning. You're gonna be like, yo, I'm losing. Like it's almost gonna be literally unbelievable to accept. And I want you guys to get into the mental framework that losing is inevitable and it's going to happen. And if you lose, it's perfectly fine, okay? Inshallah, if God wills, we're going to live another day to trade. And that's really what matters, okay? I don't want you guys to just be disappointed or depressed just because you ended up losing one trade. Think about the amount of trades you've won, or think about the amount of money that you've ran up. And when you do run up that money, stay humble. Stay humble. I'm going to talk to you guys about what you should do when you run up that money too. So, whenever you do run up that bread, withdraw. Please withdraw. You need to understand that profits are not profits until they are withdrawn into your bank account. Unrealized gains just sitting in your account is not real gains yet. Okay? So once again, until the profits are withdrawn, it's not real. And I want you guys to really put that into perspective. Okay? All right. So now that you understand that profits are not real until they're in your bank account, after you run up a big bag, make sure you have some type of withdrawal system. Say you run up a big bag, right? Don't think, oh, I'm not going to withdraw until I reach this amount. Slow down. Realize the amount of money that you have at the moment. Don't think that this trade is going to be the end all be all. People have been trading for since before the 90s. Okay? It's been out for many, many, many decades. Stop thinking that this one big trade is going to be the end all be all trade. That's actually such a horrific mindset, and it really just sets you back so far, so much further than you might actually think. Okay? So listen, make sure you withdraw. After you run up that big bag, withdraw. And don't lose yourself. Okay? Understand that a loss is going to come after that. I don't care how many trades you just won in a row. Understand that it's almost inevitable. And it's inevitable in life too that you will take some L's sometimes. God is going to put an L in your way in order for you to transform, become better, and become a better person, right? And human. Okay? And if this is going to happen, then I need you guys to be into the perspective of, okay, um, I need to make sure I'm pretty much just doing better at all times. Okay? So listen, breathe, take a big breath. If you just took a big trading win, withdraw, slow down. Don't trade for a few days. Don't try and come back or size back in, trying to run up a big bag. Chill, bro. Okay? Calm down. Don't lose yourself when you run up a big bag. Make sure you stay humble when you start running it up, okay? When you get that edge, when you get that consistency down, when you understand how the market works, fluctuates, and you understand how to identify key levels of support and resistance, um, after pretty much all this is put in place, you have your alert set up, your system in place to go ahead and withdraw. You know what type of entries you're looking for. Very consistent. You might be signing up for mentorship here and there. Very consistent. You're putting yourself just um, on a just a very very good road, right? And this is the road you guys want to make sure you remain on. Okay. Now, understand too. Understand that in trading, It could all be taken away from you within just a few button presses. This is not like much other things within real life. Understand that you are in full control of this. Just because you ran up a big bag, within a few button presses, a couple button presses later, it could all be gone and taken away from you. So make sure you guys stay humble when you guys get that big bag. Okay? When you touch that bread that you want to see, when you start touching 6 figures, 5 figures, 4 figures, don't think that that amount of money is small either. It's very easy to lose yourself and forget that $1,000 is actually quite a lot of money when you start running up a big bag as well too. You're going to start getting accustomed to seeing certain types of things, but never lose yourself, guys. Please, please don't lose yourself. Understand that even if you just see $1 from the market, bro, be thankful. Okay? Be thankful. I don't want you guys to be depressed because you were so used to seeing numbers, and then next thing you know, your whole emotional basis in human stasis is based off of how much you make off of the market. Okay? Stay based. Stay based, bro. If you get wealthy, don't lose yourself. Treat people nice. Okay? Don't be mean to people. Don't start slanging ego. Okay? Or doing things like treating people wrong and stuff like that. Because that stuff is going to bite you in the butt. Okay? So I'm telling you guys, just be a nice person, grind, worship God, of course, and just stay persistent, bro. And just watch the blessings that come from that, inshallah. So, yeah, it's just be ready, man. Okay? Be ready for this journey. This journey is going to be crazy. And it's, man, like I'm just thinking about stuff I've gone through within my journey. I remember there were times like money I actually needed too. I used to think um, not close like when I run up like $1,000 or something like that, or say I'm at like $900, I wouldn't close if I wasn't at 1,000 or something like that. I'd be like, oh, if the trade's not a band, I'm not satisfied. Like absolutely just abysmal, and just that greedy mentality is just gonna ruin you as a human being, and you don't want that. Okay, trust me. You do not want to be ruined as a human being. You don't want to be treating people differently. You don't want to be forgetting how hard you work to learn this skill just to go ahead and throw it back in God's face and be like, oh, this isn't enough anymore. Come on, man. That's clown activity, bro. Absolutely clown activity. Absolutely abysmal activity. And that's not something I want you guys to be going through. Okay? So look, have reflect, okay? Reflect on your life. Be like, okay, what am I doing wrong? Like, if you find yourself running up a bag or giving profits back, that's because you're not understanding what you're actually doing and what you're making. And it's sad. So, I don't care what you make in the market, bro. If you hit your take profit, bro, get off. Get off. Don't take another trade. Don't compare yourself to somebody else like, oh man, this trader made this amount of money. Oh man, they have this. I don't have this yet. Come on, bro. Understand that God has put us all on our own personal journeys, and never compare yourself. It's very easy to lose yourself when you start comparing yourself as well. Extremely, extremely easy. And that's not something I want you guys to be going through, man. Okay? This is getting intense right now. But still, whenever you do run up that bag, stay humble. Okay? Stay humble. You got this. You really do. I believe in you guys, okay? Like, man, this journey is so personal. And it's really crazy how, like, before you start trading, how, at least me, like, how you see money, just make sure you don't lose the value of it. Okay? That's when I think God is really going to push you through the most testaments. And it's very easy to start losing the value of what you're doing and the amount that you're actually making when you start trading. Um, so this is really what I mean by don't lose yourself, bro. Okay? Just don't. It's very, 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 very easy to. And stay based. Remember the times you were unprofitable. Remember how hard you worked to get here. Remember the sacrifice that you did in order to make sure that you could possibly be profitable, inshallah. You know? Never forget this, bro. Like, stay humble, okay? I love you guys so much, man. So much. Without you guys, I really don't know what I'd be doing, man. Um, I just appreciate all the love and support that you guys do give me all the time. It's really crazy. Just being able to have this type of community. Um, I just love and appreciate you guys so much. And the reason why I'm so passionate about making videos like this is because I just have gone through it all. You know, I truly, truly have when it comes to the ups and downs of trading. And I know how mentally frustrating it can be. I know how taxing it can be. And that's why I'm just so committed to giving you guys um, the best content I can give you, honestly, in order to make sure that you don't go through the trials and tribulations that you don't need to be going through. You know what I'm saying? So, once again, when you get a big bag, stay humble, okay? Stay prayed up. Don't lose yourself. Don't forget how hard you worked to get here, how much you prayed, how much struggle you went through, okay? You can't ever forget that, ever. And if you want to succeed in this world, you have to make sure you stay based. Don't get too high in the highs and don't get too low in the lows, okay? Stay based. I love you guys. Stay prayed up with God. Keep grinding. Peace. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.